My name's Coral. I'm the founder and director of Coral & Co, and we're a boutique events agency in Melbourne. We plan and style high-end brand activations, experiences, private events and weddings. And we believe that getting lost in the details is a beautiful place to be found. I really wanted to get my name out there and get my work seen, and I don't think I was really leveraging social media. So when I came across the Digital Solutions programme by the Melbourne Innovation Centre, it was the perfect fit. The advice I was given was definitely achievable, and it wasn't like too much information. It was broken down into steps and how I would implement it, and then I got an action plan afterwards so I could refer back to that. I did the mentoring, I did workshops, networking events all through Melbourne Innovation Centre, and yeah, I just feel like it was so valuable. I think the one thing that really stuck with me and still sticks with me to this day is tell your client the problem they have and give them a resolution. I feel that if I didn't have these mentoring sessions, then I wouldn't actually be as successful as I am now. It's just given me such confidence and great strategies to implement. Like, I feel so motivated, I feel so good about the future, because not only did we go over some short-term quick wins, there are some long-term ones that I'm still working towards. Overall, I feel less lost. I've got a really good plan and guidance. There's just good things coming my way.